Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Enlighten Waffle chart. Here I have a sample data about the participants who passed the exam and who failed the exam. The total participants range up to 1000 and I have 680 passed and 32 failed. So here we could get the Enlighten Waffle chart and get more visuals from Marketplace. I have already added the Enlighten Waffle chart. I'll click on it. You could see that I need two things. One is value and one is group. In value I could place my participants, and in the group I could place my report. As you could see here you could see that my 68% of the students are passed. So I'll quickly show you how to format it. Here in the visual I could even invert the logic. Suppose that I want to show 32% people who failed. I could just click on it and the value changes. Okay, I'll in this visual I'll keep it to 68. I could in the blurb you could enter that 68% of students passed the exam. So this is my uh, like content which I could type in the waffle chat. You could change the text color to like green, so to represent they have passed. In the primary color, this is my light blue color is my primary color. I could turn it to gray so that you could see the 68% appropriately, and this secondary color it is fine for me now. Here I have the representation of my past students. Similarly, what I could do is I could copy it and make another chat for students who failed. Okay, and I'll go to format. I'll just invert the logic. Instead of past, what I could do is I could write failed, and instead of this text color green I could maybe give it as orange. So this is how my Enlighten chat works, and you could explore it. You could make necessary changes in your visuals. It is little different from the normal waffle chart, but it really helps to understand the data very quickly. So